The Master of Science in Project Management, Saeed Abbas. Adedeton Adiegbo. Mohammed Adil. Samuel Aderibigbe. Mohammed Arslan. Samuel Ayoide. Daniel Balogun. Samuel Biam. Stella Chepkirker. Richard Kinedu. Betty Adigbwe. Mohammed Rauf Fazil. Gobinder Ghosh. Mohammed Harris. Felix Kemboi. Asim Kadim. Muninyasha Mariav Kasva. Philip Marcus. Phronesis Michael Ajiran. Rashid Khan Milon. Sunaya Naeem. Sylvester Nwanonyenyi. Samuel Odole. Nancy Okeke. Faith Haluabaju. Noman Rashid. Latif Salami. Mohammed Umair Shafiq. Mohammed Lukman Sharif. Mohammed Shumail. Zahir Sayed. Nafisat Tiamiu. Prince Eric Udensi. Yasser Umar. The Master of Science in Strategic and Digital Marketing, Deshan Jayakumar. Pranav Patil. The Bachelor of Arts in Accounting and Finance, Asma Al-Hamoud. Macaulay Aston. Amber Cook. Abigail Cooper. Lily Davies. Samuel Davies. Sahar Yaqub. Amy Hamer. Nika Holly. Megan Jones. Anita Kanagalingan. Ali Zain Khan. Yana Kovalenko. Dylan Lloyd. Aswin Nayangara Kinnan Jensen. Elliot O'Connor. Thomas Parry. Mayasa Saeed. Benjamin Snow. Lowry Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising, Merv Ergel. Tina Hiertus. Chin Neo. Emma Tran. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Thomas Edwards. Yoan Evans. Max Kingston. Sven Marnott. Irina Nikolaeva. The Bachelor of Arts in Costume Construction, Kolokomoid Nangaru, Grace Barth. Thomas Brewster. Emma Cox. Lee Danziger. Michelle Harding. The Bachelor of Arts in Documentary Photography, Grace Barrett. Yoan Barrett. Eleanor Carrick. Scarlett Perkins. Ocean Simonita. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Business and Marketing, Lihini Dona. Eden Aylett. Frederick Bartlett. Molly Brown. Alexandra Chard. Gabriel Davies. Nancy Frost. Sophie Harrison. Taylor Lee Jennings. Rosie Johnson. Jasmine Mason. Elliot Moss. Selena Satar. Emily Thomas. Molly Welling. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Design, Shannon Ashworth. Annabelle Christie Nagel. Axel Constantinou. Evie French. Philippa Goulson. Hannah Hayward. Megan Hollyfield. Siobhan Ip. Madison Kilvington Ring. Sweta Sasikumar. Truly Smith. Lauren Taylor. James Thomas. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Management and Communication, the European College of Business and Management, Dusseldorf, Carolyn Knopp. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Promotion, Finn Brooker. Hannah Davies. Trinity Edwards. Olivia Frost. Casey Hewitt. Dale Rees. The Bachelor of Arts in Photography, Shyla Bartlett. Catherine Flanagan. Cicely Jackson. Chelsea Lee Jenkins. Chloe Matchett. Neve Owen. Sophia Payne-Johns. Kira Saul. Kian Swainston. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Sunny Ahmed. Maram Al-Riyami. Abdallah Al-Makmari. Mario Amona. John Callison. Anna Foundley. Gemily Griffiths. Franklin Larry Osugu. Mamanor Rashid. The Bachelor of Science in Marketing Management, Mohammed Jawad Akhser. Yasmin Akhter. Chelsea Conroy. Iridini Gamage. Afrin Khan. Shafil Kondoti Paramban. Daniel Kun. Lansage Nevin Medis. We've got to do another 10 now. Rachel Monk. Sebin Pulamutil Stephen. Eloise Richards. Seren Roberts. Rebecca Thomas. Lily Thompson. Cole Vyas. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Photography, Colega Camoy Nangaru, Ash Jones. Casey Mainston Davies. The Award of Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, Amir Arif. Kieran Harris. Amelin Hilmi. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Badon. The Master of Science in Project Management, Mohammed Madden. Augustine Olimoyewa Oyelani. Elvis Owusu. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Tohib Babarunde Balagun. The Master of Science in Project Management, Shazad Huzaifa. The Master of Science in Project Management, Wasik Mustafa Khan. Mohammed Zahid Iqbal. The Master of Science in Management, Fukinayo Michael Kufoji. The Master of Science in Management, Ali Amin Oluwasen Ibrahim. The Master of Science in Project Management, Gerald Onyeka Ibegabunan. Stephen Fabode. The Master of Science in Management, Mohammed Ali. Abdullah Mazar. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Portia Nsoa. Awais Mohammed. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Usama Zafar. Wakas Iqbal Guman. The Master of Science in Management, Stephen Vincent Amesiatu. The Master of Science in Project Management, Mohammed Shahir Ali. The Master of Science in Forensic Audit and Accounting, Teresa Abizimona. The Master of Science in Project Management, Abitela Michael Alafuka. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Nadia Khan. The Master of Science in Project Management, Adiwale Joseph Adiemi. Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Mohammed Mosaddiq Ali Rahat. Bachelor of Science in Marketing Management, Shajid Aman. Master of Science in Management, Khalil Rahman. Jennifer Odion Erimuemi Okoto. Tejas Kunjanathan Shaju. The Master of Science in Finance and Investment, Vishnav Ani Kumar. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Mohammed Azim. The Master of Science in Management, Atsiponu Anirajusita Solomon. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Ibn Omolola Hamid. Bayan Issa Saif Al-Mendai. The Master of Science in Management, Jawad Ahmad. The Master of Science in Project Management, Saba Amir Khan. Sana Hayak. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Kimariza Ebenezer Anna. The Master of Science in Project Management, Elita Sunmisola Okmayan. Niendro Lamo. Tashi Lamo User. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Usama Ijaz. Shawib Ahmed. The Master of Science in Project Management, Shahab Ahmad. Hilary Chiboy. The Master of Science in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Syed Mohammed Ahmad Hassan. The Master of Science in Management, Afroja Rahman Prova. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, our graduates. Pranawdau Pau. Graduation is more than a formal academic ceremony. It's a celebration of perseverance, of growth, and the promise of what comes next. Today marks a significant milestone in your life, and it is a moment of immense pride for all of us gathered here. To the parents, partners, families, and friends in the audience, this is your day too. You've offered encouragement during late-night study sessions, reassurance during moments of doubt, and unwavering support throughout this journey. Your role in today's success cannot be overstated. So everyone, please join me in giving them a heartfelt round of applause. For us, as your academic community, this is the high point of the university year, when we see the fruits of dedication, resilience, and hard work. So I would like to pay tribute to the over 2,500 members of staff at this remarkable university. They have taught, mentored, supported, fed, counselled, and occasionally nudged our students along the way. The commitment to student success is at the heart of everything we do. Let us take a moment to thank them for their tireless efforts. But today, above all, it's about you, our new graduates. You have achieved something extraordinary. You've not only mastered your subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, and engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. And these are timeless skills essential in every walk of life. We are proud that the education you've received here is highly valued by employers. But more than that, we are proud of the way it transforms lives, your lives, and the communities you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. As alumni, you are now ambassadors for this incredible university and for the ideals we stand for. Wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others as you've inspired us. So congratulations to each and every one of you. Our warmest wishes go with you for your continued success and happiness. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Please may I invite all of you who are able to stand for the national anthem.
The Blue Light event is a simulation that happens in year 3. We declare a major incident and the students then have to make decisions, planning, and really puts into place the leadership skills that they've built upon over the last 3 years.
Kind of nervous, but also confident in my own ability to do well.
Really apprehensive actually, now I'm here. Don't really know what to expect. I know I'm put into the ED role as a nurse, so not too sure what patients I'm having coming through, but it's going to be a good day and I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot from it.
Been positioned in ITU. We haven't been given much information about it as of yet. I expect it's going to be quite intense.
So I'll be on call, so that means anything that kind of goes wrong around like a simulation, I'll be called to that and have to deal with whatever we're presented with.
The purpose of the event is to give them a positive end experience. This is the last time they're going to be in our simulation suite here at University of South Wales, and it gives them an opportunity to put into place everything they've learned over the last 3 years, consolidate all that learning, gives them an opportunity to look after the patients in a safe way.
We had to facilitate a patient who was unconscious. We had to decide what was wrong with him and give him the correct treatment. I was anaesthetics. I had to facilitate the airway, which is quite stressful. When I am qualified and go into practice, it's kind of like a bit of a taste of what it'll be actually like.
We've been looking after a patient who's come in with pneumonia. It's putting what you've learned over the last 3 years into practice. It gives you a feel of what's to come in the real world.
It was very pressured. It was quite realistic actually. I think it's a very pressured environment. It really puts into perspective as to what our role is going to be.
The Cypher Room is a totally new learning and teaching environment to the University of South Wales. It's been designed for our students to work through complex simulation-based challenges that replicate some of the real-world issues that our students would have to face when they go into profession.
We've been using the new interactive crime tables in USW, and we've been running a case alongside our lecturers who've been feeding us information bit by bit, while we use investigation skills to figure out what's happened. It's really interesting. It's something that we've never used before, especially like working alongside my friends around a big table in a big group. It's a good laugh.
It's just been very exciting. It's something new, and for someone who uses practical learning better than theory, it's been much better. Everyone's got to cooperate. There's a 100-point touch system, so you don't have to rely on one person to be touching everything. You can all work together. We've had witness statements, we've had ambulance logs, CCTV from a crime scene.
This space here is the first of its kind in Wales, and in fact in the UK. There are huge benefits for our students. It allows them to be immersed in an investigation. Just an absolutely incredible addition to the simulation and immersive capabilities of the University of South Wales.
What makes USW psychology students so employable? Deeper compassion, data awareness, active listening skills, people skills, applied research skills. I've never seen anything like this. Whole world of blended skills that are going to be so well translated to, quite a fast-moving job market.
Currently, I work as a therapeutic support worker for holistic coding. I lead on research projects and things like that. We support people who have strong attachment to their items, people that find themselves in cluttered environments.
The day-to-day work
involves preventing eviction. The students, our staff, get to do a whole range of different locations. We're in people's homes a lot of the time. We're trying to figure out what safety looks like for that person, what it looks like for the landlord and for the other services who might be concerned about home conditions.
When you see actual real positive change and the impact that you have on people, it doesn't just change their home environment, that it changes their life. There's a current perception that when you study a psychology degree that you automatically go, right, psychologist. You have a deeper understanding of human behaviour, how people work, and it doesn't end at psychology. You know, they're so applicable in any area of workplace.
So this week we've got our ECAS coaches, so they're part of our Elite Coach Accreditation Scheme, and they're here at USW today as part of their immersive League 2 simulation experience. We have captured everything that a League 2 manager might have to navigate in their first week, and we squashed it into 48 hours for them.
It's a really good learning opportunity for our students. They'll be seeing and listening to things that could be real life examples for them in the future. They get an opportunity in a very safe way to live those experiences and be part of those experiences and learn from the outcomes as well.
The Premier League coming to us at USW has been brilliant. Some of those reasons have been the facilities that we've got to offer, the diverse facilities as well in terms of classrooms, meeting rooms, breakout rooms, etc.